Hey everyone, we are on our last chapter for the year, and we're going to start off with one section in chapter 1, 1.7, which is on page 67, and then we're going to move into chapter 12. So you're going to go ahead and fill out this whole first page and second page using your book, okay? And then I'll have the key posted as well that you can check your work. But I did want to talk about this table here for a second. So we have our surface area and volume, and then this table is also in your book on page 69, okay? So this T, all that means is your total surface area. I don't know why they don't use SA, but that's beside the point. So that T just means total surface area. I would personally prefer you to use SA when labeling, but I won't be too picky. Just know that later on, usually you're going to use SA. So I wanted to mention that here we have a capital P and we have a capital B. So I want to talk about what those mean. The capital P is going to be your perimeter of the base, okay? And remember, your base isn't necessarily what it's laying on. So in this case, for our rectangular prism, we can see that this is in fact the base. But here, in my two examples I have drawn here, a cylinder, even though it's not lying down on those circles, your circle is still your base shape. Same idea with this triangular prism. Even though it's not laying down on these triangles, this is still a triangular prism. The base is a triangle. So whenever you're dealing with a prism, at least, you know what the bases are based on what the name of that prism is, okay? So that capital P, like I was saying, back to that, is the perimeter of the base, and then the capital B means that it's the area of the base, okay? So all that formula is saying is you're going to take the perimeter of the base times the height, and you're going to do 2 times the area of the base, okay? So that's what all those capital P's and B's mean here, okay? So moving on down here, I'll let you guys do this yourself using this table to fill out the surface area and volume. But for number 2, for some reason, I didn't get the measurements labeled for some reason. So make sure you have your height is going to be, let me check here, 15 feet. Your L value is going to be 17 feet. And remember, your L is just that slanted height here, okay? And then last but not least, since we see that this is a square pyramid, technically all I have to tell you is that Kn, or any side for that matter, is equal to 16. And since you know that that's a square pyramid, you know that all 4 of these sides of the base are going to be the exact same, okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. This should be a super easy section, and then check your work with the key before you submit.